What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning. Hope you're all having a great start of the weekend. And in this video, we'll be taking a look at the Sol token, or the native token of the Solana blockchain. We're going to be taking a look at it because today and the last 24 hours were actually pretty bearish for the whole crypto market. So what I always like to do is then take a look at the bigger cryptos. All right. So obviously, I cover Bitcoin and Ethereum almost every day. But I'm also covering Solana and Cardano right now, as I know a lot of you hold those, and they're both top 10 cryptos too, all right? And the volume of Solana right now is at around 1.35 billion, 12% of the market cap. That's just what you usually see with these bearish moves, all right? You can see that it really starts to increase yesterday after that bull trap. This was definitely manipulation. Had that bull trap, and then we really started increasing in volume with this initial drop, and then slowly we started increasing during the hours that we dropped down a little bit more. All right, so with Solana, what was my analysis, and if you don't believe that, you can always look that up. Just look up my previous Solana analysis. My analysis was I believe we could actually consolidate on top of $34, but I did expect this move. But I have to be honest, I thought we would drop down to $32. And as a matter of fact, what we did in reality is we dropped down below $32, and we're now taking a break retest. So I think we're going to respect that break retest and drop down to our next real support level, which is this level between 30.5 and 29.5. All right, so I think maybe we'll stay up here a little bit longer for the next day, but I think it's eventually we'll drop down to $30, which is first of all a strong support level altogether. All right, it's just a normal key level between 30.5 and 29.5. In addition to that, and you probably know that $30 is a big psychological support level. All right, so I think this level can actually hold for a longer period of time. What's going to happen afterwards, I really don't know. I would say Bitcoin is dropping down to 19,000. All right, that's my bias. That's also my analysis on Bitcoin, and therefore I think Solana is also going to drop down to $28 and 27.5. But when that's going to happen is unclear to me. And I mean, it could also be that we hold $30 while Bitcoin drops down further. This does really seem to be the most likely scenario for the next week and a half. I've got to be honest with you, but a lot can happen, and therefore I will also keep updating this analysis, obviously, if I see that anything changes or if we get any strong moves. But for now, this is really my analysis after this drop or after this crash, depending on how you look at it. I mean, from that top, we've actually dropped down quite significantly. You can see that we dropped down by 33% again, because it goes that slowly, you don't really notice it. But in the end, it's a pretty big drop. So that's my analysis. I want to wish you all a great weekend. I hope to see you all tomorrow. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. And I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.